buyer traffic, over-the-shoulder tour inside my business, and 3 more premium applications from these videos. So stay tuned. Imagine if you could click just one button and get free buyer traffic sent to any link of your choice and 300 of the hottest traffic sources online. How does it help? Let's say if you get one visitor from one source, 300 sources can give you 300 visitors. If you get 10 visitors from one source, then 300 sources give you 3,000 visitors. Now let me show you the power of traffic from inside my business accounts.
Let me show you my computer, come. I'll show you 3 accounts, all right? This is the first account, one of the main accounts. And as you see the stats, okay, this today is $2,000, yesterday is $1,700, last 7 days this much, and last 30 days, $108,000. Pretty good, right? 6 figures in 30 days. Now, if you look at the details here, you see the visitors. These visitors are the traffic. These visitors are the traffic. They purchased from me and these revenue were generated, but all this revenue came from, all these sales came from this traffic, these visitors. Again, affiliate stats. Okay, these are daily stats for last 7 days, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. These are the hops. These hops are the traffic. They purchased and these affiliate commissions were earned. Now let's go to affiliate stats. This is my yesterday's stats, okay, $748. These came from 613 hops. These are traffic. Okay, now this is another account, and let's go back to last 30 days, and let's go back this account last 30 days, and on JVZoo we go back last 30 days. Okay, this is this month, last 7 days, yesterday, today. Okay, let's make it last 30 days. It will be May 23 to today. Refresh. Okay, now this last 30 days is $15,000. Last 30 days $600, $6,000, almost 7,000. So 7,000 is 15,700. 8 so 22, and from this account last 30 days would be $5,000. So it's around $28,000. Pretty cool, right? Now let's go to year to date. This whole year, from January to June, year to date, and this will be from January 1st to today. And you see on this account is $75,000, this account $32,000, so already 100K, 107K, and this one is 28. So it's more than $130,000 in the last 6 months. All these revenue were generated from affiliate commissions, basically generated from these traffic. So this is the power of traffic. These are the visitors, these are the traffic. All these sales came from all these traffic. Now you know the power of traffic, right?
Now you know how we make money. It's simple. We get traffic. That's it. And we have good news for you. We figured that traffic is literally endless. So we don't lose anything if we help others get traffic and make money. That's why, in order to help thousands of other aspiring marketers with traffic and help make sales, we have decided to develop the most powerful traffic application ever built. Introducing ParaMountZ, the most powerful buyer traffic getting application ever to be released in the history of online marketing. Perfect for 2021 and beyond. ParaMountZ gets you unlimited free buyer traffic from 300 of the hottest online traffic sources, all from one dashboard in a single click. Here is how it works. Step number 1, get your access at the lowest price, which is right now. Price is rising, so now you get the lowest price. Step number 2, log in and enter any link you want to send traffic to. Step number 3, enjoy endless flow of free buyer traffic from 300 sources in as little as 60 seconds. It's as easy as that. There is no SEO, no content creation, no video creation, no ranking, no paid traffic. In other words, you don't need to do any hard work or boring work. You just have to point and click. You saw my account. You know how profitable traffic can be. If you make $300 per day, then paying $397 per month for this application is a huge profit already. But as we are excited for the launch and we want our customers to win better and bigger, so we are guessing $197 a month would be a steal, right? But of course, you are not going to pay $197 a month. You are not even going to pay $97 a month. No, not even $47 a month. In fact, you are not going to pay monthly at all. When you grab ParaMountZ right now, during the special launch period, you can get in for a tiny one-time investment. Literally, less than a price of a pizza. But that's not all, because we want happy customers, we want our customers to win. So when you act right now, you will also get brand new bonuses worth thousands of dollars absolutely free. You can see the details below this page. These bonuses, for the record, have never been offered before and are not available anywhere else. But you get them absolutely free. And to make this a no-brainer for you, we are totally removing all risks for you with our money-back guarantee. If for some reason, for any crazy reason, you don't get free buyer traffic with ParaMountZ, just let us know that you tried and we will give all your money back. No question asked. But hurry! Act fast, because the price is rising in every sale and in every hour. If you leave this page, come back later, you will see a higher price. In fact, even if you refresh this page, you might see a higher price. So, if you want the launch deal and the lowest price, you have to act now. Click the buy button below right now to lock in your fast action discount and get instant access to ParaMountZ at an affordable one-time price. Oh, I almost forgot. For the first 100 customers, when you order today, you will also get my 3-in-1 application that allows you to send unlimited emails, store unlimited files online, and build unlimited funnels for free. You can check out the details below. So hurry, click the add to cart button below for instant access. Do it now before the price increases, and we will see you on the inside.